Hey everyone, if you want to open a PSD file without Photoshop, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to open PSD files in Photopea step by step, quickly and for free. First, open your browser and go to Photopea. It's a free online editor, so you don't need to install anything on your computer. Next, click on File at the top menu, then select Open. Now browse your computer and choose the PSD file you want to open. Or you can simply drag and drop your PSD file into Photopea. This is the fastest method, and it instantly loads your project into the editor. Once your file is uploaded, wait a few seconds while Photopea loads all your layers. This is important because it keeps your PSD fully editable with all its original structure. Now your PSD file is open and ready to edit. You can change text, images, colors, or any design elements, just like in Photoshop. You can also export it as JPG, PNG, or even save it again as a PSD file. When you're done editing, go to File and click Export As to download your project. Make sure you choose the correct format depending on your need. So yeah, that's how you open a PSD file in Photopea. It's simple, fast, and completely free. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more beginner design tutorials for easy tips and tricks. All right,